was a very fun event. The first time I've done a teams racing event in a very, very long time, so it was super fun, and super fun format with 2 boats versus 2 boats. Makes it a whole lot easier. You're not doing maths during a race like that. We had a picket fence the whole regatta. We had a nice little team that we sailed together with often, and we had a really great time.
So we're wrapping up the first 2K in Switzerland. A huge success. Today the weather was spectacular. We completed full round robin and then playoffs for the first, second, all the way down to 7th, 8th. So maybe one observation is maybe at this stage a little less aggressive. There's certainly a lot less shouting than sailing in Italy or frankly even in the UK.
We had the first 2K event in Switzerland. Now, after this weekend, very successfully, 33 races, everybody was very happy, and with the sun we could make the final races and we had the prize giving. It was all fine. We will do it again.